A lot of money you can get, and you can do, guess what? Well, you can just complete those CAPTCHAs, guys. You know those weird and annoying CAPTCHAs that are around the web all the time? Well, this exact thing is offering you the opportunity to get some money by solving them. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and see how it's done. This is really awesome, guys. First website that I'm about to show you guys is called 2CAPTCHA. Just write in the Google search bar 2CAPTCHA and just click on the first website. This is an awesome thing. You complete CAPTCHAs, you get money, guys. The more CAPTCHAs you complete, the more money you will get. That is how simple this is. And just take a look at this, guys. People really enjoy this. The people are getting huge amounts of money, and it's so easy to start with this, as they say, easy to start. Okay, you can work for CAPTCHA and you can do a lot of this thing, guys. You can get a lot of money if you just involve yourself in it. So all that you have to do is you have to click and get paid. That's all that you have to do, guys. Just complete this simple information about yourself, or you can sign up with Google, with Facebook, whatever you want. This is a really good website. Once you get inside, this is your dashboard, okay? This is your dashboard, and as soon as you come in, all that you have to do is you have to go and start work, okay? And it's gonna be really easy, guys. Just click on this start button over here, and then you can see that you will get first CAPTCHA for you to solve, okay? So you can see this. You have to complete this until timer is 28 seconds. It's like 30 seconds. So what you have to do is you just have to type that in, just like you do it on a certain website. Just click send, and then you get another one. If you can't read this one, and I can't read this one right now, you can just go and you can click on this button, cannot solve, okay? And here you can see how much money you are getting, okay? You can see how much CAPTCHAs you have entered, and trust me, guys, you can get a lot of money this way, and it is so easy. You just have to invest your time. Just take a look at this. Just take a look at how easy this is. Just complete the CAPTCHA, click on send, or you can click enter, hit that enter, and then you proceed to doing all of these other ones. I think that I've got this one right, but let's see. Well, it's good. But beware, guys, if you can't complete certain CAPTCHA, do not go and try it, because if you are not sure, you have these mistakes, okay? You can make mistakes and they will just count your mistakes on this website, and that's gonna get your reputation down. So if you can't solve certain CAPTCHA, guys, just go around it, okay? Click on cannot solve so you don't get your reputation down. That's it. That's all that you have to do. And when you are satisfied with the amount of money that you've got, just click on payout over here. And of course, you can just get PayPal, Western Union, bank account, but you can also get some Bitcoin in here. You can get some crypto. So if you want Ethereum, Bitcoin, or maybe Dogecoin, this is the place for you, okay? That's what you have to do. And of course, guys, wherever you live, you can do this, okay? Philippines, Japan, Australia, China, India, Nigeria, wherever you want to go, guys, you can do this. Now, hit that subscribe button of ours if you like our content. Thank you. Now, I forgot to tell you, if you want to get that Bitcoin or any other crypto, you have to have a wallet, okay? You can get one at Coinbase.com, or you can use Binance.com, which is also nice. Or if you don't know where to start, this is Bitcoin.org, and these guys will help you with these questions that they've got. So you can choose your Bitcoin wallet based on these 4 simple questions. First question is, what's your operating system? That is pretty much self-explanatory. If you want to get it for mobile, you can get it, or if you want to get that for desktop, let's say Windows here, just click on next. And then the second question is, how much do you know about Bitcoin? Just click on new if you are a beginner. Be honest with them, because that way you're gonna get the help. Now, the third question, which criteria are important to you? This is really important, guys. Click on fees. You don't want to waste money on those stupid fees, okay? Just click on it, click on next. And the last question is, what features are you looking for? Now, this is not really important. You can just click on 2-factor authentication, click on next, and then you have been recommended certain wallet. This time it is Electrum wallet, and I used this wallet in the past. It is a nice wallet, But in the end, whichever one you choose, it is just important that you have one. That is the only way in which you can get that crypto, because you need a wallet to store that. And of course, maybe this goes higher and you get some more profits in the meantime. Now, the next website where you can get a lot of money for these CAPTCHAs is called Mega Typers. Okay, just type that in Google search bar and just click on the first one, Mega Typers. This is easy job, easy money, and you can get these typer credits worth over $200 every month, guys. So $200 every month, and that's it. Just take a look at this. We're currently looking for typers from around the globe. All you need to have to work with us is a computer with an internet connection and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. Now, 10 words per minute, I mean anyone can do that. I mean those kids in middle school and high school can type 10 words per minute. This is something that anyone can do. As you can see here, you can earn between 100 and 250 typer credits each month. And all that you have to do in here, guys, you have to type on a keyboard, okay? That's all that you have to do. It is simply amazing. If you know how to type on a keyboard, this is going to get you money for it. So I highly suggest that you try this one out. Now, the next one is pretty hard to pronounce. It is Bablo, guys. It is a stable job for everyone, everywhere, okay? There are numbers of jobs in here, but you have CAPTCHAs in here as well. You can complete CAPTCHAs, and this is a very stable website. You can see that they're working from 2007, and they're not planning to go anywhere. Thank you, Bablo. You are hard to pronounce, but thank you for not going anywhere. I love you so much because they get us money. You can track your entries and payments with our accurate statistics system. They are accurate and they are good. And you can instantly withdraw earned money to different payment systems or send to another account. So all that you have to do is to click on this, start working. Then you have to complete this simple information about yourself, and that's it. You can start working with Bablo and get a lot of money for yourself, guys. But of course, this is maybe my favorite one. This is the easiest. You can just type and get that money. But of course, if you combine some of these websites, well, that is crazy enough. If you combine them, if you just invest a lot of your time onto these websites, well, that's more profits for you guys. So you can choose for yourself whether you want to invest time in this or something other than this. You decide. I'll catch you later.